Today, I am reviewing the VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam is a cutting-edge solution for drivers who want complete coverage and crystal-clear footage for every journey. This dashcam isn't just a single camera, it's a triple-channel system, giving you full monitoring of your vehicle's front, rear, and interior. The front camera records in stunning 4K at 30 frames per second, capturing every detail, from road signs to license plates, with impeccable clarity. Meanwhile, the rear and cabin cameras record in 2K, with the cabin camera featuring a 210-degree fisheye lens that eliminates blind spots, making it perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting to keep track of passengers. One of the standout features of the A329S is its all-channel STARVIS 2 sensors. The front camera uses the IMX678 sensor for enhanced resolution and minimal noise, while the rear and cabin cameras utilize the IMX675 sensor, providing a 2.5x wider dynamic range than standard STARVIS sensors. This ensures every video is clear, sharp, and well-balanced, even in low-light or high-speed conditions. Nighttime driving and poorly lit environments are no problem. The A329S captures license plates and fine details accurately, giving you reliable evidence if needed. The power-saving parking mode is another advanced feature. When your car is parked, the dash cam can enter an ultra-low power state, only activating when an impact is detected. This ensures your battery isn't drained unnecessarily, while still providing full protection. With the optional hardwire kit, you can set up the camera for seamless monitoring without worrying about battery consumption. Connectivity is next level thanks to Wi-Fi 6 technology. Sharing, previewing, and downloading footage is faster than ever, with speeds up to 30 megabytes per second on the 5 GHz band. That means a 1-minute 4K video can transfer in under 10 seconds, perfect for quickly sharing important footage or memorable moments. Storage is also a highlight. The A329S supports external SSDs up to 4 TB or microSD cards up to 512 GB, allowing weeks of continuous recording without overwriting. This is ideal for long road trips or anyone who needs extended storage. Plus, the inclusion of a CPL, circular polarizing lens, reduces glare and reflections from windshields, giving you even clearer videos in bright conditions. Installation is simple and elegant. The dash cam comes with slim coaxial cables and miniature connectors, keeping the interior neat while minimizing interference with other electronic devices. Voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free, including starting and stopping recordings, taking photos, or turning Wi-Fi on and off, all while keeping your focus on the road. Finally, the built-in GPS module is comprehensive, supporting GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS satellites. This records your vehicle's speed, location, and route, which can be easily viewed on the VIOFO app or PC player, adding another layer of accountability and convenience. In summary, the VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam combines stunning 4K per 2K resolution, advanced STARVIS 2 sensors, full coverage, and intelligent features to provide a premium driving monitoring experience. Whether for personal safety, rideshare management, or capturing road adventures, this dash cam ensures you never miss a detail, day or night, front to back.